is, the MINI GP3. Before we crack on with the rest of the video, I am very excited to announce a brand new collaboration between TCW TV and Daily Dabble. These guys run a prize-based competition and they give away some Bobby Dazzler prizes, and in most cases life-changing prizes. And on top of it, they also support some amazing causes. And in fact, all of the revenue and all the ticket sales that are generated from this video are going to be going directly to the Fair Share charity. This is Marcus Rashford's campaign to fight hunger in the most vulnerable communities. So how does it all work here, you ask? Don't worry, it's really simple. All you've got to do is take yourself down to the Daily Dabble link in the description below, pick which competition you want to play. Plays range from being £10 where you can actually win a car to being free where you can win an iPad. Once the last entry is in, the winner will then be drawn. But don't be fooled, this ain't no normal competition. I've seen loads of these before where you enter and you've got like a 1 in a trillion chance of winning because there's no cap on how many entries are put in. This is a ticket limited competition, which means there's only going to be a few thousand people entering, and once the last entry is in, the winner will be announced, increasing your chances of winning some great prizes. And the main competition is for a brand new Mini Cooper S. As you guys know, I am a massive Mini fan. They're cracking little cars and they're so much fun. So if you fancy winning yourself a brand new car for Christmas, take yourself down to the Daily Dabble link in the description below and get yourself entered. There's less than 100 tickets left. We want to give this away before Christmas, and once they're gone, they're gone. So go for it and dare to dabble. Okay, so this is the first lap of the track day. Let's see what I can do. Wow, the grip, the brakes, wow, what a car, what a car. Here we go, we're going out on the track for the first time. We've got the GT3 RS in front of us. Let's see if we can keep up with him, we'll see. There's a corners here.
There's a corner.
I've done my first couple of laps out in the GP3. I'm not gonna lie, I cacked myself. We are gonna go out for a third lap. So hopefully I'll do a little bit better, and hopefully I'll do the GP proud on the next lap out there. Let's get some wheelie down, a bit slippy. Don't know this track, so just follow the car in front, see what happens. Woo! We've had an amazing day down here at the Nürburgring. The GP3 has been amazing. we'll cut to that one.
Yeah.
What a cracking little track. Oh wow, I love this car, absolutely love it.